Oh yeah, she's got to take a kid. The better we do. The louder you crack, the better we do. Left side, left side. Watch out, y'all. Everybody back up. Get outside some more. Get it, now stop, get it, now stop, get it, now stop, get it, now stop, get it, get it, now stop, get it, now stop, get it, get it, now stop, get it, now stop, get it. West Coast, let's go. West Coast, let's go. Hey, tear it up now, stop, don't play with it, bro. Everybody watching. Here we go, y'all, everybody. Everybody make the noise, y'all. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Watch it. Hey! Go, 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 go. Everybody make the noise, y'all. Everybody, before we go any further, everybody, if y'all want to see the grand finale, not like that, Jay, just follow Jose. If y'all want to see the grand finale, everybody say yeah. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you the truth. Before we do the grand finale, ladies and gentlemen, before we do the grand finale, this grand finale is crazy. Everybody say dangerous. Everybody say crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, if y'all want to see our grand finale, everybody say yeah. Alright, everybody, my friend Jose is going to perform the grand finale. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have a camera and you want to get a good video, a picture of our grand finale, ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras out. Everybody, if you don't speak English, Alright, everybody, I gotta be honest. This grand finale is really dangerous. So children, what you see when we dance on this hard concrete floor, kids, please do not try this at home, okay kids? This is very dangerous, and I see a lot of children in the audience, so please don't try this at home. Everybody, on a serious note, if you have a camera, get that camera out right now. Get it ready. Ladies and gentlemen, while you guys are getting your cameras out, our team name, we go by the Bay Area Breakers. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Everybody, me and my friends, we've been breakdancing together. Traveling the world. Believe it or not, for 5 years. And we've been everywhere. We've been in New York, Mexico, Hawaii, and that's it. But ladies and gentlemen, we know one thing, everybody, we know as soon as he does the grand finale, he stands up, by the time he takes a bow, we know a lot of you beautiful people, what you're gonna do, most of you, you're just gonna walk away and leave. Ladies and gentlemen, please think about this with your heart, put us on, and your ears. Why would you give us your money when you've already seen and enjoyed this crazy grand finale? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Everybody, if you guys don't have any money, you don't have to walk away and leave. The show's on us. Does that sound fair? Now everybody, if you guys do have money, we would like some of it. Nobody's laughing anymore. What happened? Ladies and gentlemen, a show like this, in our opinion, it's worth 20 bucks. If you guys do not have a 20, if you cannot give it 20, it's okay. Just give us 2 10s. That's right. If you don't have 2 10s, give us 4 or 5. If you don't have 4 or 5s, give us 20 singles. If you don't have 20 singles, get a job. Bodines is hiring. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is our show, and this right here that my main man is already passing around, this is our donation bucket. Ladies and gentlemen, before we go any further, me and my friends, we're gonna pass around our donation buckets and our tip pass because, ladies and gentlemen, we know that everybody, the best nation is a donation. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have a $20 donation, ladies and gentlemen, if you have a $20 donation or larger, like a 50 or 100, push it directly inside of our donation bucket. Now, get up to
You go to court in this life. You pay for your sins. You pay for your crimes. It's no different in heaven. You're going to have to pay. Somebody's going to have to pay for your crimes. And you know what? Jesus paid it all. Jesus is offering you a way.